bears wisdom guiding the young. Teaching survival songs still unsung. Forest ancient whispers begun with each step. Tribal hearts are one. Sacred rap. But the roots run deep, guardians to image. In the land we keep, sacred rap. The roots run deep.
In forest deep, where spirit roams, Mama Bear guides her cubs, they call it home. With wisdom passed down from the stars above. In a world of shadows, she teaches love. In moon's embrace, they dance for light. Awakening the soul in the still of the night. From the earth they rise, the cool they heat. Every heartbeat echoes the ancients' creed. Feel the spirit flow in every breath we take. Mama Bear and her cups, the bond that won't break.
Mama Bear roams the forest, where are the lines? Cubs by her side, in the ancient pines. Whispers of the wind, stories of the past, guiding them through life, lessons that will last. Hear the songs of earth, in a peaceful chant. Life's a sacred dance.